In this guide, we're going to show you how you can use different outfit codes here in Roblox. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. Don't be stingy with the love. First things first, what you're going to want to do is just understand that outfit codes aren't the exact same as regular Roblox items. You can't just swap them in your avatar editor. They're actually tied to specific games. The main one that you'll want is going to be that catalog avatar creator. I'm going to go ahead and open that up real quick. Essentially, search it up. It's going to look something like this, and then hit play. Hit open Roblox game client, and you'll get loaded in. And once you do get loaded in, it's going to look something like this. Go ahead and look on the left sidebar, and you're going to see this community outfit section here. Go ahead and select it, and you're going to be able to choose a category. I'm just going to choose most popular for this. And in the bottom left, you're going to see an option for an outfit code box. This is actually going to be where the magic happens. Essentially, enter in whatever code you would like, and it's going to say loading outfit, and boom, it's going to spawn on you instantly. And then you can hit wear to actually wear that for the rest of the game. On top of that, you could also save to Roblox if you want to keep it locked in. Just keep in mind the outfit is only going to work within the game. You're not going to be dripping like this across all of the other Roblox games unless you actually own the items. But that's it. It really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.